So hello guys, and welcome to today's kind of not expected video. I didn't bring any of my camera gear because I wasn't really planning on filming today, but I've got a little bit of a situation and we're gonna see how deep this is about to go. So right now the truck is off, but oh man, I cleaned these gauges with some different cleaner and I left a film on everything. Like there's this grody film. Anyways, normally the coolant for this truck sits right about 170 degrees Fahrenheit going down the road on a cold day, empty. I think it was last week or maybe even the week before, it started running around like 190, 200, which is where it usually sits if I'm loaded, and I try to keep it below 200 if I can. But it was just sitting at normal temperature, and I'm like, okay, that's kind of weird for being a cold day and being empty and all that stuff. It should be running a little bit cooler, but it's still within acceptable limits. And then this morning I woke up and drove down, did my delivery, and it was sitting around 210 degrees. That's getting a little bit more than what I want. So with the way it's been progressing like that, like 10 degrees a week or something like that, it seems like it's the sensor that's slowly corroding away inside, building up more resistance, and basically the sensor's going bad. So I just stopped at the shop and spent basically all morning getting the sensor changed out, and then got back on the road again. I have empty trailers, and it shot right back up to 210, 220 before the thermostat actually kicked on and brought it back down to 210. So, like, just the way it's been, it kind of makes sense that it's the sensor, but I changed out the sensor and it's not the sensor. Because like it still fluctuates within its range that it's supposed to. It's just the range itself has gone up on average a few, like 30 degrees now. So the next steps are going to be, hopefully it is the thermostat. And we just changed that out and everything's okay, but it could be deeper. It could be the head gasket on the engine. I'm thinking after I pick up this load, which I'm still iffy about if I'm even going to be able to get this load done. I'm going to bring it by Peterbilt. They said they're going to do a rapid test on it. Not a COVID rapid test, a rapid like coolant system check or something. I don't know. We'll find out when we get there. And maybe they'd be able to change the thermostat overnight, or they could give me the thermostat and I could spend a sleepless night changing out the thermostat, fixing my truck up so I can still make my delivery tomorrow. But I don't know, just the way things are, I have a feeling it's going to be the head gasket. Not to mention too, I've mentioned it in a couple other videos previous, I think, but on startup, I get a little bit of a flutter, like a pa-pa-pa out of the exhaust. And last time that happened, it was the injector cups going bad, and it lets a little bit of coolant into the cylinder. So when you first start it up, first off, you get a little bit of a hard crank. It kind of sounds like the battery's dying, but it's actually basically hydro-locking with that little bit of coolant in the cylinder. And then once it does fire over, it goes pa, 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 and that's the coolant burning off, and you see a little bit of white smoke. I mean, it's always gray, black, a little bit of white can mix in there. So I actually had it booked in next week, like a week from now, to get the injector cups looked at and send out the injectors for testing, because I think I'm still getting a little bit of a misfire when it's like below idle. Anyways, it was going to be like this be all end all, fix the everything with the engine kind of service, but it might be bumped up to something a little bit more emergency. So we'll see what happens. But yeah, the more I think of it, it could be head gasket. Okay, so the truck in front of me just started up, so I think we're moving forward in the line here. I'll actually start up the truck so you can maybe hear some of the popping out of the exhaust. How we doing? Yeah, temperature's kind of down to where it's supposed to be normally. Like sitting here is let it cool down a bit, but we'll see what happens when this guy moves forward. Okay, I'll get a shot of the stacks in the mirrors. We're gonna try to listen. Actually, I can hold it with this hand, yeah, okay. We're gonna try to listen for little pops out of the exhaust here. Which is good, it's better than white, but yeah. Temp's gonna sit there unless we're actually going down the road. Well, she's loaded. Let's see how it goes. All right. We made it to Peterbilt. Hopefully they can overnight a thermostat if that's actually what's going on. So I actually was able to get here without it going over 220 degrees. It still fluctuates between 210 and 220. Like the thermostat is opening and closing, but during that range. So I'm hoping that whatever, I don't know if it's like a home thermostat where the metal expands to a certain temperature and opens up the thermostat. I'm hoping that has gone bad and is opening it up to warm, and changing out the thermostat is actually going to fix the issue. Yeah, we're sitting right about 210 right now, so I'm just gonna wait for it to drop down a little bit more, and then I'll shut off the truck, go inside, probably drop it off over the night, and see what they can do for me. I don't know. Alright guys, we got the truck back. We're putting in the first tank of fuel since the carbon tax hike. We're gonna see how much this costs. We got the two thermostats changed out. It seems to be running all right, but we haven't really taken it too far. Okay. Well, we made it pretty close to the delivery here, just pulling off the highway. Never had to turn on the fan, never went above 195. And we just missed the light. Oh boy. Yeah, well, as far as cooling issues go, truck is running perfectly fine. It's So that is a huge relief, because if it wasn't the thermostats, we're digging into the engine because it's probably head gasket or something. And I was not looking forward to doing that. Okay. Oh, look at that. Perfect. Because I believe we have to turn here. Yeah. Yellow Brick Road. So the place that I have to park here is on the main entrance kind of road, in front of the grocery store. Not directly in front of it, but it's kind of in the middle of the whole plaza. And I figured I was going to turn left right into it, but it has one of those curbs where you can only come at it from the oncoming lane, and then it exits out only in the oncoming lane. So we have to actually go around the back of the place and get in. I have a feeling we're not going to make this advance because we're in a truck and trucks are slow, but we'll see what happens here in a second. Okay, go. Go. Go, 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 go. Ah! Stay green, stay green, stay green. Oh yeah, we're making this. Beautiful. Giant no truck signs, well, too bad. That could be the entrance that we go on, but oh man, yeah, I have a feeling they don't want trucks here, but I need to access where I'm going from this street. And it is that entrance there. I hope it's big enough for a truck. Sorry, buddy, on the phone. Okay, we gotta wait for oncoming traffic, I think. Just these two cars, because I want to swing wide. Hopefully I can actually make it in here. You're looking all right. Yeah, I didn't exactly plan this through this way because I was expecting to come the other way. But yeah, okay, so the garden center we're delivering to is right there, and we're just gonna park right where that van's cutting through. I don't want to lose full momentum. Oh, that would be beautiful, but no, we're just gonna park right here. I don't want to try to figure out how to get in there. Look at all this space. This will be not that bad. Okay. I wanted to straighten out the truck, but whatever. We're here. Let's go find out where exactly they want it and get delivering. empty. I actually was able to drop the Moffett off here because my next load requires the full deck. Alright. Low air buzzer doesn't like being sitting at the parking lot like this. I'm gonna wait for braking traffic, which is right there. And we're gonna head on out. Oh, this will be fun. Alright, come on. Build up air pressure, please. Okay, sorry pedestrian, I'm blocking the way because I'm gonna go right now while we have a chance. Let's go. There we go. Okay, so Moffett's dropped, everything's fine. We are on our way to get our little local load of lumber, and then we'll come back, pick up the forklift, and be done for the day. All right. Well, we just finished taking the expensive road.
Regional Road 55. Signs for Regional Road 55 North, Jade Street North.
Wow, what a description. Yeah, I'm kind of in a rush to make my 11 o'clock appointment, which is in 1 minute. So I'm not exactly sure.
2 lanes to turn left onto Jane Street, York Regional Road 55. Signs for Regional Road 55 North, Jane Street North.
Oh my God. I'm not exactly sure how truck friendly this route is for the GPS that we're taking, but we're just gonna find out as we get there. Shouldn't be too bad. Shouldn't be too bad because I think this entire area is like industrial. Anyways, so we're looking for Dawton Road. Come on, stay green, stay green, stay green, stay green, stay green. All right. Oh, also stay green.
Turn right onto Dowden Road.
Okay, right lane exits, but not the road we want. I do know that if this road is not a truck road, that we can go straight through the intersection and make it there as well.
Turn right onto Dowden Road.
Oh, you're looking pretty tiny. You're looking pretty tiny. But there's another truck turning down here, so maybe it's okay. I'm not making
In 600
that.
meters, turn left onto Creditstone Road.
I'm not making that turn. We're going up this way.
Turn right onto Macintosh Boulevard.
Do you say no trucks? No, you do not say no trucks. Good enough for me. Oh yeah, this is industrial.
500 meters, turn right onto Creditstone Road.
Okay, so we're going in where that empty flatbed is. Transload center. I don't know, man. Is that where we're going? Holy titty.
Turn left.
Ah, we won't go in front of this guy. We'll just block the intersection. Okay, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. Yeah.
500 meters, your destination will be on the right.
Clear the road, okay. Yeah, all these crappy empty flatbeds are a good sign, but there is no other signage saying where I'm supposed to be. Okay, I know it's CN Metal Distribution Center. All visitors, please report to the office. Highway. Okay. do not enter yard. Are they talking this yard? Because the address is like the one up ahead here. Oh, da 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 da.
Your destination is on the right.
I don't like that there's so much metal here, but this is the address. I feel like we're supposed to be up there, but I'm gonna see if I can check in up here or something. There is no signage of anything where we're supposed to go. Oh my god. And I don't even know if that road loops around and we can park back here, but I'm just gonna back in to this spot over here or something. Might be kind of tight to do that. Oh, it's in a lake too. All right. Oh, can we just come around here? Yeah, okay. We'll make it work. We'll make this work, I guess. I'll talk to shipping and receiving, and they're probably gonna tell me, hey, go down the street, dummy. Why would you pull into a metal yard? You're obviously picking up lumber. Blindside B train backing. Do 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 do. Overshot it. So one little correction. That is a massive forklift. That is a massive forklift. Holy. Okay. What are you doing? He's probably going to tell me to move. Whatever. We'll see. Catch you in a bit. Okay, so we did things mostly right here. That truck that just pulled in and parked where that guy's backing up, he actually ended up in front of me. So I'm one truck behind the lineup of who came in first. I guess when you first show up here, you pull into this little turnaround, dude, and you go in, get the paperwork, and then proceed to the lumber yard to load. So I did do things mostly correctly. That's good, because again, there's no signage for the first time that you show up here. You're just kind of winging it. But I'm actually not complaining too bad that this guy got in front of me, because I am literally just following him around. So yeah, I go to the next lot here and follow him. Forklift will know what to do. They'll load me up, and then I return back there to check over the load and paperwork, and then I am gone off to the delivery. Drivers do not enter facility until you check in. What? What do you mean? What are you pointing at? Okay, so this guy's got to make this corner. You got room, I think. But yeah, so my directions from the office were to follow that truck around, but then the forklift guy here is like, no, just you're good, right? Forklift guy here is like, no, wait on the road. Doesn't say that anywhere. It says drivers do not enter facility until you have checked in at shipping office. I checked in at the shipping office. Yeah, there is nothing that says wait on the road until you're called in by a forklift or something. Well, it's a confusing place, but they seem to be pretty quick with getting trucks in and out. I told this guy it's my first time here, and so he's showing me where to go. And now it's like all the other forklifts are like, what are they doing? What's going on? But now we're just sitting here. I guess I think we're gonna try to go around the corner there, but something's going on. He's looking at me. He's looking forward. I don't know. I got loaded, checked in, good to go. Let's get out of here. Okay, I'm good to go, except I'm waiting for Buddy to leave. Oh, Buddy and the loader might be leaving too. I don't think I can squeeze around here, but we're gonna have some room, I guess, maybe. Come on, let's go. Okay, that was relatively painless.
Head north toward Creditstone Road. In 400 meters, turn left onto Creditstone Road.
So I know this isn't the way I came in, but it seems like all the traffic is coming and going out of this intersection, so we're just gonna follow the leader. This guy, I think, should be parked over a little bit farther, but I'm not gonna complain. I was blocking the way a bit too, and I can still make it around, I'm assuming. Better be able to. Oh yeah, lots of room. Yeah, okay, so left or right, guys? We're going right.
Turn left onto Creditstone Road.
Ah, yeah, you know what? Let's follow him, because it's only 4 minutes difference to take the 401 versus the super expensive toll road. So I think we're gonna do that. That was a stop, you all saw it. I wasn't actually planning on filming this part of the journey, but I'm looking at the trailer in front of us, and when we look here, it is doing straight that. Oh my god, that is so not legal. That is sketchy, dude. Majco Trucking, good on ya, bud. Retire that equipment. Oh my god. Okay. If memory serves me correct, this lane dumps us off onto the 409, which is what we want to take. So we don't need to sit in any of that traffic, which is nice. But I think this is the first time that I'm taking, what is it, Highway 7 past the 409 and not going up or down the 427. So, yeah, we'll explore some new roads. So I'm assuming we're going straight here. It's kind of, it says all these airport things. What? Airport Road, Peel Regional Road 7. Yeah, okay. But it also gives the option to do it from that road. Like, what?
Take the exit toward Airport Road.
It's the difference between express and collectors. This is stupid. stupid GPS.
For 1 kilometer.
Because I'm betting. Okay, at least it is these 2 lanes that continue on Airport Road. Yeah, again, I've almost never been on this road before in a truck. There was one moment. What are you doing? I want to be in the right lane, I think.
Slight right on Regional Road 7, Airport Road.
Okay. There was one moment where I was coming down 427 South, and I saw the sign for 401. I'm like, oh, I know this intersection. I just need to stay in the right 2 lanes.
Slight right on Peel Regional Road 7.
Yeah, so we want Airport Road North. Look at this. This feels like, this road's not too bad, but I don't want to bring a truck into there.
Continue on Peel Regional Road 7 for 3 kilometers.
Yeah, I was on the 427 and ended up taking the right 2 lanes that I thought were going to 401 West, but it was actually going to the airport. And I'm like, oh crap. So I ended up on this way, in this area with no idea where I was or where I needed to go, and I really didn't want to drive into the airport. Why is everyone getting out? Oh, there's a guy there. Okay. We could probably be in the leftmost lane, but at this point I'm stuck. Yep, 'tis what it is. We'll let motorcycle guy in. Okay, so this is the road that we're delivering on. Why are you pulling forward instead of backwards? Okay, there's very specific instructions to park on the road and go and check in. And I'm pretty sure this place that I'm going to is right at the end of the road. But this is not the road I was thinking it was. That's fine. Kimball Street, that is not... Oh. You know what? What? I'm just parking here. Holy crap. I think I am down there, but I don't know. Can I fit in there? I'm gonna have to take a look and check. Okay. Alright, that was a disgusting intersection. This is where I need to be. Okay, I should be able to pull in. Yeah! Give me the wave. Beautiful. Alright. I'm gonna catch you guys in a bit. Oh yeah. Lots of room. Okay. So. This truck right over here is waiting to hook onto this trailer, and so Mr. Forklift guy is very, very quickly taking the last few pallets off of the truck. So I'm assuming after he takes the next lift off, I'm gonna be backing out of here and getting out of the way. Yeah. I'm just gonna ask and then we'll come back. Okay, here we go. Do-do-do-do-do. Coming back. Watch out, everyone. Alright, I need to swing that around there. Now we're gonna want to cut the trailers pretty tight because it's ooh, that's pretty close on that side. And I think there is a lift to something that's gonna be on the way, or in the way at the apex of the corner. Yeah, that's pretty tight. Okay. Oh, unless he moved it. I think he moved it. So, yeah. Yeah, I want to go this way. And how close to that wall are we going to get? Not the worst, not the greatest. This is not the right setup for that angle, so I'm gonna do a quick reposition. Okay, so I want to suck the trailer, the pup trailer, as close to that stack of something rathers or I can, and I need to do the double S turn, and that sets me up. Suck in there. That's probably pretty good. I'm going in blind as to where I actually need to be. As long as I'm not gonna hit anything over there. Yeah, this is going nice. I'm still a little bit close to this black thing, but we'll be all right, I think. Ah! Okay. We'll use that angle. All right, come on. Oh, that'll go now. That'll go now. Perfect. Almost a perfect circle to get out of here. You won't rip this guy's bumper off. Oh, he's saying I can go back. Just a bit more. He knows what's up. Beautiful. Thank you. Okay, so yeah, this is what he meant by waiting on the road. Like, this guy is after us. Holy crap, she's tight in here. Pure chaos. Now, I don't have a stop sign, buddy. Anyways, let's go back to the grocery store, pick up the Moffat, and we will be done for the day. Temperature's staying fine as well. All right. Well, it's certainly busier here for traffic. This is my third rotation of waiting to turn left at this light. It'd be nice if this guy would go. Let's get as many cars through here as we can. Come on in.
Turn right, then turn left.
Yeah, not turning here. Even though it says no truck, the way where I'm going, I need to come up here.
Yellowbrick
Oh my god,
Road,
okay, you can
Westbrook
shut up now. Nice parking spot. Alright, still clear. Oh boy, alright. Come on, I hope I can make it around this corner. Yes! Good stuff. Yeah, I only have a few minutes left on this SD card for the GoPro, so it might just cut short at any second, but I'm hoping that we'll have enough room to get this whole thing figured out and into a spot, because I'm assuming this is going to be way busier this time around. Yeah, thank you, Nissan. I want your space. Clear the curb. All right. And there's still a bus parked there, but there's the Moffat. We're just gonna wait for everyone. Will I be able to fit through here? Oh God. I was hoping there would be enough room to pull the truck around somewhere that's out of the way of everything, but I don't think we're gonna fit here. Ah, that fits enough. That's good enough. Okay. Let's grab a Moffat and get out of here and go home. Maybe some lunch. It's almost 3 o'clock. I still haven't eaten. Okay. Well, Moffat's all loaded up on the trailer. We can begin our escape. Let's go home. Oh boy. Yeah, it is quite a bit busier now. Oh, is that the end? I do believe it is. Should probably be in the correct gear. No pedestrians. Okay. I'm waiting for you. Oh my gosh. It just keeps coming. Alright. Oh my god. Okay. You know what? We're going. Don't care. That Toyota can stay in that lane. And we are gone. Holy crap. Well, anyways, it's going to be a pretty boring drive back to the 410 and then the 401 and then home. But yeah, I guess I'm going to leave it at this for today. My SD card's just about out of memory anyways, and yeah, I'll catch you at the next one. Come on, change.